Hey guys, Nneke here. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be demonstrating just a small little tutorial on my client Maria. I'll be installing a full sewing with a lace closure. She's using hair from Kendrasboutique. I believe she purchased 4 bundles of loose wave.
Chopping like I'm Trappy Jam.
And also a 18-inch closure, so her lengths are 24, 22, and 220 inches on top of the 18-inch closure. So right now, as you can see, I'm braiding down her hair. I like to start with clean hair. Not braiding too tight, and also not to braid her edges, which she has been experiencing minor hair loss on, so we are going to keep her edges out for today. That way they're not pulling or tugging and causing any more stress to her scalp. So right now I'm using some hair oil. I recommend using castor oil, coconut oil, seed oil. There's so many oils out there, just whatever floats your boat. And right now I am sewing down the loose braid. And so right now I am sewing down her front braid. I do offer classes here in Las Vegas. Okay, so now I'm sewing down the front of the braid. This braid is separate from the rest of the braid down just because when I go to do maintenance on her, I can just take out that front braid. That way she doesn't have to get the entire install redone. So now I'm just going to bobby pin my lace closure in place and part the hair and sew down the front braid and the lace closure. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. So on this part, I like to have my client hold down the very small section of the parted closure. That way I could get a good grip and have a very laid closure. And I'm just going to do the same to the other side. And when she goes to pull her hair back, this won't really lift because it's very secure. And now I'm getting ready to start the back tracks. I typically would double the bottom extension the bottom bundle, but instead I did a single weft all throughout the hair just because my client had bought longer hair this time, so we wanted to just make sure there was enough, which there was. She had just about a couple inches left.
Excuse the people in the back, they're working on installing security cameras, which is great for your business, so no complaints there. But we did have a power outage, which was so annoying, but it's all good. My client was able to come an hour later, so no issues. And we're just going to keep this going along the entire install. And now I'm at the very top. I'm just going to get some water and oil together.
I have mixed some almond oil into this water, so she's going to have a nice shine. And you want to just make sure the hair is damp, not soaked, because she still is going to be running errands and I don't want her catching a cold, of course. And shape up her extensions. I love this part just because I feel like you get the entire look so much more body. And I also did a custom color on this install. If you guys would like to learn more, just let me know. now I'm just taking some concealer, that way she doesn't have to bleach her knots. This is great if you want to avoid that, which I prefer to. And now I'm taking some Kenra Curl Defining Cream. I love this stuff. It smells so good, you guys. This is like the best. So we're just gonna crunch and scrunch that curl defining cream into the hair. It's gonna create a nice little movement and a nice shape to her overall look. And I like to just twist a couple pieces in the front, that way she has some pretty ringlets once the hair dries. This is great to do overall if you have the time, but otherwise just throw a couple pieces of twisties in there, you'll get a nice look. Next, we're going to take my blow dryer on cool air. I wish I had my diffuser, but I couldn't find it, so just use cool air and soak up a little bit more of that moisture. And I am just loving this color on my client. She pulls off so many of the colors I do, which is why she's probably one of my favorites. Anywho, we are just finishing up right here. About to lay these edges, and when my client goes to pull her hair back, she won't have any issues because I left enough hair out in the front to cover her tracks. And voila, you guys, there you have it. My client is ready for her trip. This hairstyle is so cute and so low maintenance. Of course, I gotta get some snaps. That's it, guys. I hope you liked this. I will try to keep these up every Wednesday, and if I can upload more, I will. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, and I would love it if you just like and subscribe. Take care.